Hello, I'm in a 2018 Nissan Rogue, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust your dashboard brightness. So while the vehicle's on, you can find these buttons here. This will make it brighter, this will make it dimmer. So that's the first thing I would check. And as I push these buttons, so this plus, you can see it's brighter, and then as I push this minus, you'll see this gauge to go down. So that's one way to adjust it. Something else to double check is there sensors up on the front here that help the car know if it's daylight outside or it's darker like nighttime. So make sure you don't have anything covering up the dash that might be interfering with any sensors. That are just giving your vehicle a bad reading, so it's not adjusting this properly. That's it for that. And then you can adjust your central display here with this. So here's just adjusting your different settings here, and then you've got a touch screen to go brighter or softer. But I hope this is helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.